After signing up for Atlas, you can start using your virtual card immediately. This tutorial explains how to use the card, manage payments, and earn rewards. What the card does: the Atlas card functions like a credit card, but does not charge interest. It offers a virtual card for online purchases, supports mobile wallets for contactless payments, and provides automatic payment features to help manage your balance. It also reports to credit bureaus and offers cashback rewards. How to use the Atlas card. Open the Atlas app to view your virtual card details. Use the card number, expiration date, and CVV for online shopping. You can also add the card to Apple Pay or Google Wallet for contactless payments at physical stores. SmartPay automatically helps pay down your credit balance throughout the month. This keeps your credit utilization low and supports better credit management. Atlas reports your payment activity to Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian every month. Using your card responsibly and making payments on time can help build or improve your credit score. You earn cashback rewards on eligible purchases without needing to activate rewards. The amount depends on your usage and deposit tiers. You may earn up to 5% cashback on subscriptions and up to 10% at selected stores. To manage your rewards, open the Perks section in the Atlas app to view your point balance and activate weekly boosts. Limitation: the Atlas card is best suited for users who want to build credit without interest charges and prefer automatic payments. It requires a linked bank account and charges a membership fee. Rewards vary based on spending and deposit levels. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more guides.